So I will say I am man enough to admit when I was wrong. And a while ago, I said that I didn't think ADA would ever fall back below 40 cents. Did not think it was going to happen. Great things taking place. Good, actually, early market performer like ADA normally does not do. But yet we're now at this point where ADA has in fact fallen back below 40 cents. And what people need to understand is it's not doing anything outside of what the rest of the market's doing. The rest of the market is doing the same thing. You guys can see the sea of red, over the last 12 hours, ADA is down 7%, some are down more, some are down a little less, but it's basically between 5 to 15% across the board. And what I have to say is, does this make me lose my conviction in ADA and the Cardano blockchain? No, it doesn't at all. In fact, remember guys, I've held from basically this 81 cent level all the way back in March, all the way down to now. Haven't sold any, haven't moved any. In fact, I've accumulated. And the reason why is I see the great fundamentals taking place. Right now, I even said actually back here that ADA was an undervalued asset. It's even more undervalued now. And the reason that I say that is we look at all these great things that have been taking place and they continue to happen time and time and time again. New partnerships, new utilization of the Cardano blockchain. We're actually seeing a little bit of an increase in the daily active users. Not much, but the fundamentals are good. They have been good for a while. They've been getting better, in fact. And so is the price really an accurate reflection of what's going on in Cardano right now? No, it's not. All right. Some people say it's overvalued. They'll say that there's not a whole lot going on, but people tend to miss the big picture. They miss all these great things that are happening throughout the world that we talk about time and time again. And I'm not going to really get too much into them in this video, just because, you guys you've heard me talk about them a million times. So what we're seeing is steps forward, this continued path. And frankly, guys, the charts, the price doesn't really matter that much to the Cardano Foundation, IOG, Charles Hoskinson. It's this steady path forward, this just surge towards new heights when it comes to Cardano adoption, bringing this great product to the world. All right. Unfortunately, the path between the low prices and the high prices, it's not a straight line. I was trying to think of the best way to describe this. When we refer back to 2020, we refer back to even bear markets into bull markets in the path, there have always been corrections. There have always been pullbacks in the market. And frankly, there's even been these periods of big bear traps. And right now, that's really what it feels like we're kind of falling into, especially when it comes to ADA, right? This big drop, this huge shakeout in the market, even further shaking out what I thought we would do. But all I see is value. I see tons of value that the Cardano ecosystem is going to provide to the world. And I see a ton of value in where ADA is at right now. That's the way I look at this. So I'll be accumulating more. I don't know about you guys. Some people may be shaking themselves out, and that's fine. People can do what they want. There's tons of assets in the space. Really doesn't matter to me. I'm not here to convince you, right? I'm just here to share the information with you so you can make an educated decision. And from what I'm seeing from a fundamental standpoint, from an actual, not utility, from a technical standpoint, Cardano is it. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know how you're faring today, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.